nuclear launch detected.
Hello, it's your boy The Shag, and welcome back to BBT. So now you've got a brand new phone, and now you just want to get the data from your old phone to the new one. Well, yet again, you've come to the right place. So you got the thing, now what? Let me put you on game. So first, we've got our new phone, so we're gonna want to power that up. And then now we're gonna start our setup. So you're gonna select start. And now these are our user end agreements. So now for you to get to the next step, because you can see it's gray there, we need to agree to these. So you can just select at the bottom, agree to all. And then we say agree. Just a young disclaimer. Remember, even though I said agree all, there are some choices that are optional and you can opt out of if you don't feel comfortable with them. Now we are here by the source of it. It's asking us what an easy setup from another device, which is what we want to do. So we select the Galaxy or Android device right there. So we have our old phone here. So we're gonna just switch that on. We're gonna go to, oh, it's already asking us if we like to set up. So we say there's setup. And now it's connecting. So we scan the QR code just like that. And now the two devices, this device is sharing the Wi-Fi connection to the new device so that they can automatically set themselves up. Wow, I might not even need the data cable. How crazy is that? So we'll see here how this goes. Right now, the two phones, this phone is just getting ready, and then it's asking me on this device to continue setup here, but keep the devices close to each other until the setup is complete. Okay, so we have our device, we're getting ready to copy the data from our old phone to our new phone. So it's asking us here to start to have the installed app, which is Smart Switch. So we're gonna select next. And we're going to transfer our data wirelessly. So we're gonna select wireless here. And now let's select wireless on the old device. And it should begin communicating. So it's asking us to connect to transfer data. So we say connect. And the transfer has begun. Let's take a moment just to use that thumb power of ours and just hit that subscribe button. Now, the next step is to ask, what would you like to transfer? So I'm doing a direct copy, so I'd like to transfer everything, and it says it would take about 12 minutes. So let's do that right there. And it's asking us, would you like to send up also your backed up messages? And I would like that also. And now the transfer has begun. Keep screen on. Yes, please. Once setup is done, you can check the status of your transfer in your notifications. So this, I think, is a great time for a time lapse. And now we are all set up. The transfer here is complete, and as you can see, we've basically got the exact same phone cloned over. So it's not like you're missing anything. It's exactly the way you have it set up. So that's how simple it is, guys. So check it out. Check it out. There you go. Another special for my BBTs. So stay tuned and watch the next video coming right at you soon. Audi, peace.